Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a couch unboxing. So last weekend I went to visit our nearest couch boutique. So I went to look at something. I was there to look at the tabby, the pillow tabby in red color, and yes, it's actually beautiful. And also at the store they have a lot of stuff on sale that I've actually never seen it before. So they put that one in a holiday sale. So I think the holiday sale, I think the discount is as much as around, I think 50% off from the original price, which is the price is actually really good. And I've been eyeing a couple of purses right there that were on sale, but I don't know, for some reason I was looking at the Field Tote 40, and that one is the quilted one, more likely a puffy one similar to Pillow Tabby, and they don't have it. They don't have it at the store. I was like, oh wow, I mean, they sold out. So I think that Field Tote, which is more likely a pillow ones in black, I think that is very popular. It was sold out when I was there. I've been eyeing for that piece in such a long time. But yeah, they do have a lot of Field Tote, but that is the only one that I think that is perfect as a work bag. So anyway, while I was just looking around, I saw this and I said, well, I've never seen this at the store. I have not even seen it online. And I was like, let me see this. And I just find it very interesting though. It was on sale, in fact, 50% off, which is a good thing. And I was thinking, since I was looking for a work bag to put all the paperwork, laptop and everything, I think this one is perfect. But I considered this as rare. That's because I've actually never seen it, really. But when I look at it on the website today, I finally saw it, and it is on the men's section. Why? Because I don't normally look at for the men's section, but I know there are items right there that could be used, that can be like unisex. But I think with this particular purse that I got right now, it's unisex. So anybody could use it, could wear it. And I think this one is perfect. I got it in such a great price. So anyway, they put it on this gigantic box. I mean, I was surprised because usually when I buy something, I always ask if I wanted to have it gift wrap. They put it in a box, and if you don't ask for it, they wouldn't put it. But I guess it is for the holiday. It's like it is understood that when you buy something, right away they put it on the gift box. But anyway, so I love this red ribbon, and let me show you what I got. I just saw this at the store briefly. So okay, wow, and it is heavy as well. Okay, so let me show. Oh wow, they even wrapped it with all this. Oh wow. Okay, so here's the item right away. Oh wow. Oh, it is on the heavy side. Look at that. So, okay, let me just take this, put the box away and talk about this piece, okay? So, let's take a look at the detail, the closer detail on this piece. Right here, the patch grid. I'm surprised that the patch grid is right here outside of the purse, but it's gorgeous. It was so beautiful right here. The stitching is lovely. Look at the detail around here. Wow, the stitching is absolutely amazing with that more likely in the gold yellow tone stitching right there. The attention of details is actually amazing. So more likely, this is a mixture of the Cordura fabric and the calf leather right there. This one is made up of a pewter hardware, and also the top handle is absolutely amazing with the same detail, guys. Look at that. This is actually what sold me with the purse. For some reason, I don't know, this reminds me of Rogue though. The detail for this is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this one right here, there is a pocket up front. So right here, this one is lined with the fabric. And then let me open the first compartment. Yeah, the pull tab is in leather as well. And okay, look at that. Look at how roomy that is. So once again, the detailed right here, there is a Coach patch right here, and another pocket, the calf leather detailed in here with this stitching, with the gold stitching right here. I wish they could have put this, the patch right here in front. I think that would look great. But anyway, and look at that. Oh my goodness, there is a card slot where you could put your credit cards. Oh my gosh, where the pen holder right here. There is a ton. Look at that, guys. There is a ton of pockets right here, and also right here you could put something in here as well. There is another zip pocket right here up front. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. There is from pockets to pockets. They're everywhere. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. So that is the first pocket. We have the one right here in the middle. See another one right here. This is the pewter hardware with the detailed of this calf leather, the pull tab. I mean, the zipper is actually smooth. Very, very smooth. Okay, are you guys ready to see inside? So there is a large and extremely roomy compartment right here in the middle, where I was thinking if I will be started traveling, I think this is a perfect travel bag though. You could put some of your clothes here, your laptop and all your paperwork and stuff. And also, yeah, I would think this is actually for a few days, this is like more than enough though for just for traveling. And also another pocket right here on the corner. Well, the detail for this one is amazing. Look at that. Look at the stitching right there. Beautiful. And okay, there is a pocket right here. For some reason, this one is actually see-through like a net right here, so you can see your stuff inside. I wonder what you usually put in there. I only saw that one in suitcase though. But anyway, this one right here, wow, there's no pocket on this corner, but this one, the opening for this one is huge. So we have a strap. So literally you could use this as a crossbody bag, and this strap is also made of nylon as well. It has this pewter hardware, and then this is the calf leather in it. Beautiful. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. And it is sturdy. You could actually feel that this one is made up of a high quality materials, and it is sturdy. The details for that strap right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Absolutely amazing. So all you have to do is put this one on the side right here, and put the other one on the side as well. And then yeah, you could literally use this as a crossbody bag. And as I looked at it, this one is actually, the length for this is around 16.5 inches length, and it is very, very light. It's like I just love the fact that the bag looks so big and it is very light, very, very light. So That's how it looks with a strap right there. So moving on, let me just close this. So this is the first pocket. We have the second one and the third one. So on the third pocket, I'm going to turn it around. Okay. So this one has a different style right here. So more likely, okay, so this is just like that. So I don't know, I'm not sure with the style, but maybe just because of the detail, that's just how it looks. Very lovely. And on the side, there is another pocket right here. Another pocket right here. One and two pockets right here. Okay, going back to the purse. So this is the third pocket. Let me just, okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. And on the inside, right here, there is another pocket. And then, wow, this is huge. I think this one is perfect for a laptop though. There is a ton of pocket on these. And I think, yeah, for men, I think this is just a perfect traveling bag or a work bag. And I believe that right now it is actually priced really well. It's less than $300 US. And the quality, the detail is actually amazing on this beautiful piece. I would highly recommend it as a gift. And also, pretty much, I have to see if I could use this because at work I carry a lot of paperworks, and I think this one is perfect though, that your items were secured. I was thinking of the tote, but the tote is wide open, but this one, at least there's a zipper to secure all your stuff. So yeah, this is the detail of this bag. The stitching is absolutely amazing. On the side of it, there is an additional leather, an additional cuff leather on the side. Really soft right there. And on the other side as well, right here with this strap. And I think, yeah, I believe this one is actually perfect for work bag or a traveling bag as well. And it is, yeah, the only thing is that, I'm not sure of the style, but then again, I didn't purchase this. That's because, oh wow, I like the shape, I like or whatsoever. The only reason why I purchased this, that's because I was looking for a work bag where I could put a lot of paperwork, my laptop and everything. And I was totally surprised that not only that, I could literally use this to travel because there is a ton of space inside. So I would just carry my purse and then this bag. And I think it's gorgeous. I think it's perfect. And the price is pretty reasonable though. If you got this for a sale price that's less than $300, even if I pay the taxes, it's still less than $300. And this was priced around $550 US. So based on the material, I'm not sure if you're not a fan of this particular type of material, the Cordura fabric, which is more likely a nylon. If you're not a fan of that, this may not work for you. But with this one, they actually tried to incorporate the leather and the nylon, which is, I find it very interesting though. The detail for this is more likely a leather, and then the entire thing is made up of this fabric. I think it's beautiful. Oh wow, guys, I saw something just now. This is at the bottom of the purse, and I don't know what this is. Oh, you got, oh my goodness, I am surprised that this bag has a ton of pockets. And even at the bottom right here, what can you put in here? Wow. There is pocket from one pocket to another. They're everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I love the style of the strap right here. It is absolutely amazing. Those little the pull tab right here with the detailed off leather, it's absolutely amazing. The patch screen, yeah, and then a little touch of leather. Yeah, I think it's worth it. I think, and I do believe it is worth it. And it looks classy though, for me personally. And wow, the touch of those stitching is, I am a fan of detail, guys. Look at that. The stitching is amazing. So anyway, that's it for my unboxing for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.